Doctors have a name for what happens when you stop moving because you're weak. They call it the death spiral. You get weaker, so you move less. You move less, so you get weaker. It ends badly. But I'm going to show you the 5 movements that break this cycle, starting right now. Hello, my friend. My name is Dr. Sarah, and I've spent the last 15 years helping people over 60 stay strong, active, and independent. Today, I want to share something important with you. As we get older, our muscles naturally get smaller and weaker. This is called sarcopenia, and it's completely normal. It usually starts in our 50s and speeds up after 60, especially if we're sitting a lot and not moving our bodies regularly. That's why getting up from a low chair feels harder than it used to. Why climbing stairs makes you breathe heavily. Why carrying a bag of groceries can leave you tired. But here's the wonderful news. It's never too late to get stronger. Your body can rebuild muscle at any age. All you need is consistency and the right movements. I'm going to show you 5 simple exercises that work the exact muscles you use every single day. No gym membership. No expensive equipment. Just you, a sturdy chair, and maybe a wall for support. These movements take about 8 minutes total, and if you do them just 3 times a week, you'll notice a real difference in how you feel within 2 to 3 weeks. Let's get started. Movement number 1. Chair stand. This is the most important exercise you can do for staying independent. Here's how it works. Sit in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Cross your arms over your chest, or if that feels too hard, rest your hands gently on your thighs. Now, lean forward slightly from your hips and push through your heels to stand up tall. Don't use your hands to push off the chair. Let your legs do the work. Once you're standing, slowly lower yourself back down with control. That's 1 repetition. This simple movement works your thighs, your bottom, and your core. These are the exact muscles you need to get up from the toilet, out of bed, or out of a car. The stronger these muscles get, the easier everyday life becomes. Start with 8 repetitions. If that feels easy, work up to 12. Rest for 30 seconds. Then do another set. Movement number 2. Heel raises. This one strengthens your calves and improves your ankle stability, which is so important for balance. Stand behind a sturdy chair and hold the back lightly for support. Place your feet hip-width apart. Now, rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels as high as you comfortably can. Hold for 1 second at the top, then slowly lower back down. You'll feel this working in the back of your lower legs. These muscles help you walk, climb stairs, and catch yourself if you stumble. Do 10 slow, controlled repetitions. As you get stronger, try doing this exercise holding the chair with just 1 hand, or even no hands at all. Movement number 3. Wall pushaways. Don't worry, we're not doing floor push-ups. This version is much gentler and works just as well. Stand facing a wall, about arm's length away. Place your hands flat on the wall at shoulder height, a little wider than your shoulders. Keeping your body straight like a plank, bend your elbows and lean toward the wall until your nose almost touches it. Then push yourself back to the starting position. This strengthens your chest, shoulders, and the backs of your arms. These are the muscles you use to push yourself up from a chair, open heavy doors, or push a shopping cart. Start with 8 repetitions and build up to 12 as you get stronger. Movement number 4. Arm raises. This one is wonderful for your shoulders and upper back. You can do this standing or sitting, whichever feels more comfortable. If you have light hand weights or dumbbells, great. If not, use 2 water bottles or even cans of soup. Hold your weights down by your sides. Now, raise your arms straight out to the sides until they're at shoulder height, like you're making a T-shape with your body. Hold for 1 second, then slowly lower back down. This movement helps you reach for things on high shelves, lift your arms to wash your hair, and maintains good posture. Do 10 repetitions, rest, and repeat.
I am Dr. Sarah. If you are getting help so far, like and subscribe and leave a comment so I can help you better.
Movement number 5. back step. This final movement trains your balance, coordination, and leg strength all at once. Stand tall behind a chair, holding the back for support. Step 1 foot back about 12 inches. Then gently lower your back knee toward the floor. You don't need to go down very far, just as far as feels comfortable. Push through your front heel to step back together and stand tall again. That's 1 repetition. Switch legs and repeat on the other side. This movement mimics what you do when you climb stairs or step up onto a curb. It works your thighs, bottom, and core muscles. Do 6 repetitions on each leg to start. As you get more confident, you can increase to 10, putting it all together. Now, let me show you how to do this as a simple daily routine. Do 10 chair stands. Do 10 heel raises. Do 10 wall pushaways. Do 10 arm raises. Do 6 back steps on each leg. Rest for 1 minute. Then repeat the entire sequence 1 more time. That's it. Just 8 to 10 minutes, 3 times a week. As you get stronger over the next few weeks, you can increase the number of repetitions or add a 3rd round. The key is consistency, not perfection. Even if you can only do a few repetitions at first, that's completely fine. You're building strength with every single movement. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you'll notice you can stand up more easily. Your balance will feel steadier. You'll have more energy for the activities you love. Now, before we finish, I want to remind you, if you have any health conditions, injuries, or you're not sure if these exercises are right for you, please check with your doctor first. This video is for educational purposes only and isn't medical advice. But for most people over 60, these gentle movements are safe, effective, and life-changing. I believe in you. Your body is capable of amazing things, no matter your age. All it needs is a little bit of consistent, loving care. Try this routine for the next week and notice how you feel. I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Golden and Grey Hub for more simple, effective health tips designed just for you. Now get up, move your beautiful body, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, my friend.